Hi students, in this class I am going to start the poem Excuses. So excuses means reason. Excuses means what? Reasons. So if you are to stay at home from the school, you are also giving a different type of reasons. For example, headache, stomach pain, or grandmother died, or someone died in it means in our relationship or someone died, that like you are going to tell. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ನೆಪಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಆದರೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು, ತಲೆನೋವು, ಫೀವರ್, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಯು ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. It's a nature of children. It's a common nature. Yes, everyone also did. Everyone also tried this life. So in this poem, one boy, so he was ready to stay at home from the school. Yes, already he spent a day at school. After when he go to school, the teacher of course will ask you why you late, why you absent. Is it right? It's quite natural. So here I am going to read the poem. First look at the textbook. Late again banking shop. What's the excuse this time? Not my fault, sir. Whose fault is it then? Grandma, sir. Grandma's? What did she do? She dead, sir. Died? She seriously dead? Alright. So, that makes 4 grandmothers this term blanket soap. And all on P days. I know, sir. It's very upsetting, sir. How many grandmothers you have got a blanket soap? Grandmother, sir? None, sir. You said you had 4. All dead, sir. Yes, turn the page. And what about yesterday blanket soap? What about yesterday, sir? You were absent yesterday. That was the dentist, sir. The dentist died? No, sir. My teeth, sir. You missed the math test blanket soap. I had been looking forward to it, sir. Right. Line up for P. Can't, sir? No such words as can't. Blanket soap. No kid, sir. Where is it? Home, sir. What's it doing at home? Not iron, sir. Couldn't you iron it? Can't, sir. Why not? Bad hand, sir. Who usually does it? Grandma, sir. Why couldn't she do it? Dead, sir. So, just going one by one. That boy, means blanket soap, was giving a one by one reason to the teacher's question. What type of teachers asked him question? That like he told different type of reasons why he was absent. Why he was absent from the school. Let's see here. Children always love playing and hardly ever enjoy going to school or doing any homework. Often they can find very funny excuses for not doing the homework. Okay? The common sense excuse is poor granny's death, or it is the pet's dog fault. Have you ever tried any? Here what's happened? Children, yes, you know that as a child would like to play. Child would like to play more than going to school. Yes, children also. Children are doing what? Children are usually like playing more than going to school. That's like here also. Children always love playing. Okay, hardly ever enjoy going to school and doing any homework. Yes. Going to school and completing the homework, so totally it's very less to the children. Only they want to play. they want to play different type of games more than studies. Okay, more than school going to school. So that's like here, to school or doing any homework, often they coin very funny excuses for not doing the homework. Yes, when children didn't make any homework, they try to give a different type of reasons. They gave different type of reasons why they didn't complete the homework, why they absent the class. Is it right? That like here, the common excuse is poor granny's death. Yes, common reason, common excuse is that what grandmother death. Yes, common reason. Because teacher doesn't know anything about family background, family members. When the teacher will ask you, why you late, why you absent, maybe the common reason you have ready to tell, that is grandmother death. That is what a grandmother death. Here also, the common excuse is poor granny's death, or it is the pet dog's fault. It is the pet dogs. Pet dogs or animals or cats, whatever it may be, that's fault. I don't know how the pet animals, pet dogs, reason to that, I don't know. Have you ever tried any? Yes, as a child, maybe you are also tried different type of, tried this one. Have you tried this one? Yes, poet asked it. Let's see here. Let's look at the poem. Late again blanket soap. What's the excuse this home? Sorry, excuse this time. Not my fault, sir. Whose fault is it then? Grandma's, sir. Grandma's, what did she do? She dead, sir. Dead? She is seriously dead, alright, sir. That makes 4 grandmothers this term. Blanket soap and all on P days. I know, it's very upsetting, sir. How many grandmothers have you got blanket soap? Grandmothers, sir, none, sir. You said you are 4 all dead, sir. Here what's happened? Name of the student, his name was Blanket Soap. His name was Blanket Soap. So what's happened here? Yes, he was absent. One day, Blanket Soap was absent. When go to school next day, the teacher asked him, why you absent? Why you late? When the children come to school late, even teacher will ask you, why you late? Why are you late? Is it right? Okay, that like here, late again, Blanket Soap. Hey, Blanket Soap, again you are late. Come on, tell me reason. You came to school late. Why? Come on, give me reason. That like the teacher asked the Blanket Soap. Ask him, okay, why you late again? Not only this time, so many times already you told. Okay, this time, why you late? What reason is there? Come on, tell me. This like teacher asked him. Late again, Blanket Soap. What is the excuse this time? Yes, what reason? What reason is there? You are late. Come on, tell me. What is the reason? So that like teacher asked. What is the excuse this time? Not my fault, sir. Yes, sir. I am late, but not my plate. Not my mistake. Yes, I agree, sir. I am late today. Because actually it is not my fault. It's not my mistake, sir. So teacher can't understand what the Blanket Soap told. See that? He couldn't understand anything. So, not my fault, sir. Actually, not my fault, sir. Whose fault is it? So, when you are telling it is not your fault, whose fault it is? Whose fault it is? Why you late? Come on, tell me. Again, the teacher don't allow him to get inside. Just again and again the teacher asked him question. How he was going to reason, giving the reason that like teachers asking so many different type of questions. Okay, that like whose fault is it? Then grandmaster. Whose fault? Tell me. You came late. Today you came late. Reason tell me. Grandmother. What about grandmother? What she did? Let's see. Whose fault is it then, sir? Grandmaster. Yes, I came to school late because of grandmother. Because of grandmother. Why? Let's see. Grandmother, what she did? Yes, grandmother, what she did? Come on, tell me. How she is the reason to came to school late? Come on, tell me. Okay. Grandmothers, what did she do? She died, sir. What's happened? She died, sir. Who died here? Grandmother died. Who died? Grandmother died. Sir, why I late today? Because grandmother, it means my grandmother died. He said. It means blanket soap said. She said she died, sir. Dead. Okay. She is seriously dead. Seriously she is dead. Come on, tell me. That's right. She is seriously dead. Alright, sir. That makes 4 grandmothers this term. Yes. Actually, in this term, totally you lost 4 grandmothers. 4 grandmothers you lost in the term. In the first term, you lost 4 grandmothers. Come on, tell me totally how many grandmothers you have. Yes, every time he told that. Grandmother, grandmother, grandmother. Totally the teacher asking how many grandmothers you have. Come on, tell me. Already you lost 4 grandmothers in the first term. Remaining how many grandmothers are there? Come on, tell me. This like who asked? Teacher asked him. See that. Yes, she is seriously dead already, sir. That makes 4 grandmothers this term drinking soap and all on P days, especially on P day only. It means physical exercise, physical education. Only on P period. You are telling what? Grandmother died. Grandmother died. Only on which period? P period. Physical education. Yes, you know that on Saturday in our school, in everyone's school, yes, we are going to make a physical exercise. We are calling MD. Okay, here on when he was, okay, when the P period was there, that period he didn't attend. So on that moment, he said, grandmother died. Grandmother died. Okay, when he was absent on P period, especially. He did not attend the P period. Okay, see that. So how many grandmothers? X. And only and all on P days. I know, sir, it is very upsetting, sir. Yes, it's very bad, sir. It is very bad, sir. Yes, how many grandmothers have you got blanket soap? Oh, blanket soap. Totally how many grandmothers you have? Come on, tell me. Because already 4 grandmothers died in the first term. How many grandmothers you have? Come on, tell me. Yes, grandmother, sir? None, sir. Yes, all grandmothers are died, sir. No more grandmothers, sir. No one remaining, sir. All are died. All are died. Grandmother, sir? None, sir. You said you had 4. All dead, sir. You said you had 4. Already you said what? You had 4 grandmothers. All 4 grandmothers died already. Is it? Come on, tell me. Why you come to school late? This like teacher asked me. Okay. I hope you understood this much. I will continue in the next class. Okay. Homework. Reading poem. Make a list of all words and write their meaning. Write their meaning. It's your homework. Okay? I will continue this poem in the next class. Okay, what is the homework given? That homework you should complete. See you in the next class. Thanks for watching the video.